Hey, what's up everybody? This is Kofi Noun with Soul Rebel. We do Caribbean American fusion. And today I'm going to teach you how to make one of our most popular dishes, our Jerk BBQ, otherwise known as Jerky-Q. Hey look, nothing says Caribbean more than jerk, and nothing says American more than barbecue. So today we're going to combine those two flavors and with the sweetness of the barbecue and the spicy kick of the jerk, and it sure is going to light up your taste buds. So there are a lot of ingredients that goes into this recipe, but we're going to put all of those into the description so you don't have to worry about pausing the video. We're going to put all the exact measurements and everything in there, so that way you can just go back later on and check them out. So first of all, it's important to know that, hey look, there's no one right way to make jerk. A lot of people make it a lot of differently. It really depends on your taste. Some people like it a little bit sweet. Some people like it a little bit spicier. Hey, it really all depends on your personal preference. All right, so this is my personal recipe and the way I kind of like to do it. It has a little bit more of a kick to it, but if you want to do something a little bit less spicy, you could always do that as well. So you're going to need a food processor and a saucepan. That's really as far as it when it comes to the equipment. The ingredients are green onions, thyme, bay leaves, garlic, ginger, scotch bonnet peppers or habanero peppers if you can't get your hands on some scotch bonnet peppers, allspice, salt, black pepper, brown sugar, nutmeg, vegetable oil, soy sauce, browning sauce, lime juice, ketchup, liquid smoke, and apple cider vinegar. Like I said, it is a lot of stuff in there, but it all comes together really nicely. Like I said, this is a very simple recipe to make. You really just need to combine all the things together, heat it up on the stove for about 5 minutes. The whole thing should take you about 15 minutes at the most. So first of all, we're just going to give the green onions, ginger, and garlic a chop and add them to the food processor, along with the other ingredients. We're going to blend that for 45 seconds to a minute until it reaches a fine, smooth texture. And now we're going to put the sauce mixture into the pan. I put my stove on medium heat. And just let it sit there for about 5 minutes, stirring constantly to make sure it doesn't stick to the bottom. And over time, you'll start to see that it'll start to get a little darker as the sugar, the brown sugar, starts to melt, and everything just starts to come together really nicely. So there you have it, folks. That was our Jerky-Q or our Jerk BBQ sauce. As you can see, it was a fairly simple process, a lot of ingredients, but still fairly simple. Hey, but look, if you don't want to do all that work and you just want to try just the finished product, we got you there too. We actually bottle our sauces. They're all available to purchase either at the food truck or on our website. We'll provide the links for you in the description, but our website again is soulrebelfood.com. If you want to just try the food ourselves, hey, our food truck is roaming all over Northern Virginia. You can just find out where we are by going to our website every day or following any of our social media links at Soul Rebel Food, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, all that. We love to hear from you. We love to see you. We put this sauce on a lot of different things. We put it on our chicken, our chicken sandwiches, chicken tacos. We do a jerk barbecue burger. Hey, look, it goes on a lot of different things, like I said, and it's really good on everything. So until next time, keep liming, folks.